Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this lace pattern for you. You can use this pattern in any cardigans, sweaters, ladies patterns, shawls, blankets, baby frocks. From backside our pattern will look like this. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 10 stitches plus 5 stitches to complete the pattern and plus 2 stitches for border. This pattern is of 8 rows. So let us start now. For demonstration I have taken 27 stitches. I have knitted 2 rows of knit stitch for base. Now this is our first row. For first row slip 1 stitch and then knit all stitches. We have to complete full row of knit stitch. This is our last stitch, edge stitch. We have to purl it. Now second row, again knit all stitches, slip 1 stitch and then knit all stitches. Complete the row with knit stitches. After completing 2 rows, now this is our third row. Slip first stitch and then repeat pattern. Knit 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yarn over and knit 1 stitch and then double yarn over and knit 1 stitch. Knit third stitch with triple yarn over and then knit with double yarn over and then knit with single yarn over. Here our first repeat pattern is complete. Now repeat these 10 stitches till the end of the row and purl stitch at the end of row. Here we have completed third row. Now let us start our fourth row. For that slip 1 stitch and then knit 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now knit 1 stitch and release extra yarn. Again knit 1 stitch and release extra yarn over. Again knit 1 stitch and release extra yarn over. Knit 1 stitch and release extra yarn over. Again knit 1 stitch, release extra yarn over. After completing repeat pattern, knit 5 stitches at the end of the row and purl edge stitch. Now we have completed fourth row. Now let us start our fifth row. For fifth row, slip first stitch and then knit all stitches. Knit all stitches till the end of the row. And purl last edge stitch. So here we have completed our fifth row. Now let us begin our sixth row. For sixth row, slip one stitch, edge stitch, and then knit all stitches. Knit all stitches till the end of the row and purl edge stitch. So friends, here we have completed our sixth row. Now let us start our seventh row. In this row we will change pattern on this place, here and at the end. So let us start now. Slip first stitch and then yarn over, knit one stitch. Now double yarn over and knit one stitch. Now triple yarn over and knit one stitch. Now we will reduce yarn over, double yarn over and knit one stitch. Again single yarn over and knit one stitch. So here we have knitted 5 stitches with yarn over. Now here we will knit 5 stitches on previous yarn over stitches. Here we have completed our first repeat pattern. For next repeat pattern, yarn over and knit one stitch, double yarn over and knit one stitch. Now triple yarn over and knit one stitch. Now we will reduce number of yarn overs, double yarn over and knit one stitch. Now single yarn over and knit one stitch. Again 5 stitches on previous yarn over stitches. Complete these 10 stitches till the end of the row and lastly 5 stitches with yarn over. So here we have completed our 7th row. Now 8th row, slip edge stitch and then knit one stitch and release extra yarn. Again knit one stitch and release extra yarn. Again knit one stitch and release extra yarn. Now 4th stitch, knit one stitch and release extra yarn. Now last 5th stitch, release extra yarn. Now knit 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Here we have completed our first repeat pattern. Repeat these 10 stitches till the end of pattern and then knit last 5 stitches with yarn over and then purl edge stitch. If you like my video, then don't forget to like and share it, and if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So friends, meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye friends.